Hello and very welcome to our Depence² tutorial series. You would like to know how to add fixtures in Depence²? Don't worry, this is the right video for you. At first, we need to open the Fixtures node in the library window. Here you can find all kinds of categories such as fountains, lasers, machinery, pyro FX, stage lighting or video containing our different fixtures. For this example, we will navigate to the Clay Pakey folder, selecting any fixture you would like. When selecting your preferred fixture, you can find all information regarding this fixture within the information window on the right. Here you can choose different DMX modes, view details on the currently selected modes, or change the number of fixtures you would like to drag and drop into the 3D world at once. Just click the left mouse button, hold it and drag your selected fixture into the project view. By releasing the mouse, the fixture will be placed automatically. Depending on their size, all fixtures will have the same distance to one another when placing multiple fixtures at once. Another way to easily add and position your fixtures is to use the dedicated Fixture Hang tool, which allows you to directly place fixtures onto trusses within the 3D world. You can find the Fixture Hang tool in the Depence² toolbar on the left side of the screen. All options and features regarding the Hang tool will now show up within the tool window on your right. We now just need to select a fixture and drag it into the Hang tool. Repeat this step until all fixtures you would like to add are visible right there. In the next step, we are about to select one of the main pipes of your truss. The cursor will indicate a pipe where you can place your fixture by highlighting it while hovering. Select your pipe just by clicking. You can select multiple pipes by holding the Control key on your keyboard. While selected, you already will see a preview of how your fixtures will be added via the Hang tool. By changing the element limit parameter, you can define where and how your fixtures will be placed. The rotation parameter therefore lets you change the angle of placement, turning your fixtures around the selected pipes on your truss. By typing in a specific value, you easily can place your fixtures pointing down in a straight angle. To verify and hang your fixtures, just click on the Create button within the tool window. Now all fixtures will be placed automatically according to their values.